over at the stairs.
I assume this is Mount Bagna.
Okay, we're on our way over that way.
This trip, we're just trying to test the rear suspension a little bit, see if it holds up.
Yeah, if we wouldn't mind you guys going this way, we would have just waited. Did the terrain do the stairs?
No.
Don't go to Drummond then if you can't do those.
I planned on keeping the terrain at the campground and hopping in the white JL.
It's so fun.
Hey, it beats bragging.
I think you should at least attempt the stairs, and we'll give you a yay or nay if you can do it.
At the end, I will.
Oh yeah, it's nice and level.
What I think I like about this group is the diversity of vehicles that we're in. We're here with the Mitten State Tour.
Let's watch the Colorado here. Rubiconed it.
like and subscribe if you haven't already.
That's how you break something.
Just double checking, somebody does have a winch, right?
Stop.
Uh-oh. Look at that. That's pretty freaking straight up.
This isn't one of those nowhere to go but up scenarios, because there's nothing else up.
Nope.
Keep on going until you hit Jesus.
Oh my gosh, I don't think he's... Is he going backwards? He is. Oh, shoot. Ooh.
Good pick. Roll down the window. Roll down the window and take a pic.
Did somebody say hi? It is 420.
Wait, it's on video.
Josh, wait right there, I'll get a picture.
Thank you, Carter.
Oh yeah. That was awesome.
He's back. I don't think he's shooting. I suggest.
Oh, that was cool.
Zach, let me see how deep that water is.
Little deeper there. When in doubt, throttle out.
Got a little deeper there.
I seen that. Got the whole bumper with that one, spare tire and all.
That's better name.
Here, swing it around, let me see.
Oh, man.
Are we heading out?
I'm gonna take the family over to the little circle racetrack you're in.
Uh-oh.
Todd's going up Mount Magna. Great seeing a full-size F-150 climb up there.
Whole underside of his.
Wow. This is cool. Like any kind of vehicle.
That was not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. The electric slide.
The electric.
Careful on the far right. That thing is not a stick. It's like metal.
Uh-oh. Pretty steep. Kind of scared, honey. It's kind of scary. Shit.
This is easy.
Oh, shit. That's myself.
If it makes you feel better, I just put new brakes on it.
Okay. Oh, Lord. Whoa. Whoa, that got a little slippery.
After flexing out, we decided to go visit a little arcade in Farmington Hills.
This has got to be the coolest arcade I've ever seen.